Hello YouTubers, welcome to another DVD unboxing. I'm Rodolfo of the Wolf-dolfo channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Tex Avery's Droopy, the complete theatrical collection on DVD, and the Woody Woodpecker and Friends Classic Cartoon Collection Volume 2 on DVD. Now these I ordered from Amazon and they just arrived today. But first let's take a look at the Droopy DVD. Now this is actually a reprint from Warner Archive actually, so it's possibly going to have a DVD-R discs. So, oh well, I got what I paid for. So you can pause the video here to read the description here. Here's the spine again. Special features: 16:9 transfers of the 7 final CinemaScope shorts. Droopy and Friends, a laugh-back retrospective look at Tex Avery's career and his iconic character. Doggone gags, great funny moments from the Droopy series. Now let's open this up and see what we have inside. Oh. Sorry. Anyway, here's the discs. And yep, just as expected. Just as I expected, it's gonna be hard to get the discs off. So, okay, here's disc 1. Yep, it's a DVD-R, and disc 2, which is disappointing. I wasn't aware that this was going to be a DVD-R reprint, but oh well. Anyway, the Woody Woodpecker and Friends, Volume 2. I already have Volume 1, so let's take a look. You can pause the video here to read the description. The 75 theatrical cartoons. Here's the bonus features. You can pause the video here to read those. And now let's open this up. And I believe the inside was slipped in like upside down or something. Anyway, yep, just as I thought, it was inserted upside down. Okay, here's what we have in disc 1. You can pause the video here to read that. And here's the description for each disc. Disc 2. Here's what we have in disc 2. And disc 3. Okay, here's disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. Well, YouTubers, that's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos. And have a good night.